first commercially produced trifold smartphone, the Huawei Mate X-T, is expected to be officially announced on September 10th. After teaser of the rare design, Huawei today opened pre-orders for the Huawei Mate X-T, the first phone in the world to feature a trifold design smartphone. Ahead of sale on September 20th in Chinese market, the teaser video that Huawei uploaded recently shows the phone's sleek trifold design, metal frame with golden finish, leather back, and designed and crafted by Huawei on the back. Also, Huawei show in their teaser video the octagonal lens design, a periscope telephoto camera, and a sleek metal design of the phone. The phone will use a screen from BOE and expected to feature a customized trifold screen design that will open into a tablet with a large screen. The BOE chairman, Chen Yanshun, at the BOE IPC 2024 conference this week, said that Huawei's trifold screen phone, Mate X-T, is made possible with deep collaborations with both the companies. According to the most recent rumors, Mate X-T will offer a 10-inch folding screen, a 5G capable Kirin chipset, and up to 16 GB of RAM and 512 or 1 TB storage. Speculation suggests the trifold smartphone will cost somewhere in the Chinese yuan of 16,000 to 17,000, which translate to 2,250 to $2,400. Does a trifold change how we interact on our smartphone? And do you think having a trifold is more convenient than carrying a giant tablet? Drop your comments below. And as always, if you love this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me on my social media accounts, and thank you for joining me today. Until next time, take care and stay tech savvy.